And we are so excited because today we get to pick rhubarb. And we had, I was talking about on one of the previous YouTubes about us rhubarb dessert that we're working on. And actually we'll show it later on how it came out. It looks beautiful. Haven't tasted it yet. But so basically talk about rhubarb for a little bit as far as culture. Very simple. I got people asking me many times a year, can I have some rhubarb from you? I just basically take a hunk out, take the roots, plant them, throw them in some dirt and water them, and pretty much leave them alone. But here I did mulch this down with some straw to keep the weeds down and also to give more nutrients. The only thing you got to do is just keep it watered occasionally throughout the season, and then come fall, put a couple inches of compost from our compost bin, which we will cover that at a later date as far as the composting system I've been doing here for over 30 years. And just how you get beautiful plants like this. Throw a little fish emulsion on it. Do it after you've already picked what you want, because it will taste kind of fishy, so I think you want to avoid that. But really it's very simple to pick. You just come along, pull a piece like this, and this is just started. I mean, literally it just started coming out of the ground a couple of weeks ago. We've been having a little cooler weather this year, but that's all you got to just pull it up. And this is my daughter Jennifer here.
Hello.
And she's helps a lot in the garden off and on, and for many years since she's been a child she's worked with me, and so we're excited to have her here today, and she's going to say a couple things to you real quick too about recipes and what she likes to do.
So if you want to go ahead and check out, we're going to be making a couple recipes with this. I'm a blogger over at From the Family, and we are going to be making a traditional just rhubarb crisp. Then Mom made a almond rhubarb tart, and sitting on my counter at home is a rhubarb coffee cake. So we're going to go ahead and leave the links in the profile or the description below, and you'll be able to find those recipes.
There we go. So as easy as that. Pull it up, enjoy. It's very simple to grow, and there may even be a link up on her Instagram or her blog where you can buy rhubarb if you want to get some